Fallen on houses or cars from last month's storms. You can also report storm debris in Crawford County and Sebastian County. You can also find more information on our website about all this at 5newsonline.com.
Well, thankfully, the threat of severe weather and storms is hopefully in our past, but now we're trading that for heat and humidity. That's not going anywhere, right?
Yeah, summer weather is going to be setting up shop for a while. Let's take a look at the normals for this time of year. Looking ahead towards tomorrow, we're actually pretty much on track with where we typically are for this time of year. Notice even as we head into Thursday and Friday, we may get a little bit above normal at times, but overall, these upper 80s and low 90s, pretty typical. It's about what you would expect to find, well above normal across the northern tier of the United States. Today's high in Fayetteville was above normal, normal being somewhere in the low 80s. It was 87 degrees. We did measure just a little bit more than a trace of rain in Fayetteville today. We had those showers south of the Fort Smith area. Today's high in the low 80s. Normally it's closer to about 90 in the upper 80s. These are the showers that were in central and eastern Arkansas, caused all that flash flooding. Thought I'd just show you kind of how we got peppered with the rainfall earlier today. This is a 12-hour rainfall accumulation map, and you can see who saw the rain and who didn't. If you were in Bentonville or Rogers, nothing. Man, if you were between Farmington, though, and Prairie Grove, you got soaked. If you were out there by Elkins, we had quite a bit of rainfall. In fact, some of us picked up nearly an inch of rain with that downpour. Farther to the south, we were dry for most of the Fort Smith area. We did have a little bit of rain in Greenwood. You can see Poteau and south, though, we had some very heavy showers that moved through. Those showers all fell apart with daytime heating, but some of us picked up an inch and a half. So where it rained, yeah, it poured. We're not going to be looking at that until we get into tomorrow afternoon again. The overnight showers are more of that splash and dash. They don't make a whole lot of noise, but we may see a stray shower or two in the River Valley going into the overnight hours and even the first part of the day tomorrow. Our temperatures are in the low 70s, so it's 72 in Fayetteville, 75 in Fort Smith. The dew point is also in the low 70s. The dew point's in the upper 60s in Fayetteville, but for the most part, you get a dew point 75. That's super duper tropical, and that tropical air is going to hang with us through the end of the week. It may come down just a skosh coming up Sunday and Monday. Probably not noticeable, though. We still have dew points in the upper 60s. We're still feeling pretty sticky. So tomorrow, scattered showers are still in the forecast again. We'll have rainfall out there during the first part of the day, a little bit of a break, and then some isolated thunderstorms during the afternoon in that 2 to 7 o'clock time frame. And much like today, not everybody's going to see this stuff. In fact, most of you probably won't, but there will be scattered showers early on in the River Valley, followed by a few pop-up showers in the River Valley in the afternoon. So here's Wednesday morning. You can see some of those stray showers that are out there early on. This is going through 8 and 9 o'clock. Looking at the River Valley, a little bit more active than northwest Arkansas through the mid-morning hours. By late day, scattered showers in eastern Oklahoma and west central Arkansas. And then by the afternoon with daytime heating, we get a couple more that pop up and then fall down with the loss of daytime heating. So it's still kind of a sloppy pattern for us with some spotty showers possible both in northwest Arkansas as well as the River Valley. Those scattered showers will hang on again for tonight. But once the ridge builds in, it'll start to nudge those temperatures up. Keep in mind, though, temperatures get warmer, but we're still close to normal and where we would expect to be for this time of year. Highs will be in the mid to upper 80s, and low temperatures will be in the upper 60s to about 70. So scattered showers, but more of a pop-up shower or two heading into the afternoon hours for the weekend into early next week. And then rain chances also pick back up as we go into somewhere around Tuesday of next week. So keep an eye on that.
Temperatures will drop so much by Tuesday that we'll need to get the winter coat out.
85?
It's going to be
We'll take whatever we can get because when July rolls around, 85 is going to feel like a cold blast.
Right. All right, still to come on your 5 News at 10 tonight. We head to Fayetteville for the final news.